Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm heading to Tezpur for a workshop to go and give a workshop over there. And it's just I woke up around 4:30 and now it's like 5 o'clock. So in the morning, 5 a.m. I have to go early because my flight is around something 10. I'm super excited to go over there, and this is my first time going over there to Tezpur for a workshop. I haven't went there. Oh, now I'm heading to the airport. I'll be moving from home. I'm done packing my things and all yesterday only because it'll be easy for me. I finished to pack my things, so I'll just move in a while only. Hey guys, I have reached the airport, and after reaching the airport, I'm so hungry. And because like all the time I used to clean in the airport, and I know that the food over here it's not that much tasty and it's not that much good, and it will be like waste of money. But yeah, some shops like some store I find have, but not that much tasty. So on the way only, so I had in my mind that oh no, in the morning because there is used to open a jadoo stall in the morning. So you know what? I bought jadoo, and that to an airport, and it's so tasty. People might ask like, what is this I'm eating? It's jadoo, which we Khasi used to eat. This is my first time having a good meal in airport. But I just one thing is missing. It's red tea, because I love to have red tea. I don't like milk tea. So like I remember in those days when I was in Mumbai, like people are asking me what are you drinking, because they thought that it's something like what to say, they thought something else, but they didn't know that it's red tea, because most of the people outside they used to drink that milk tea. So I'm not used to it to drink that milk tea because it used to have gas a lot. So I feel like it's not good for me, not good for my stomach. So I prefer red tea. Finally guys, I reached here in Tripura Tourist. You can see it over there. It's Tripura. Oh, the post. Yes, Tripura. Hey guys, I have reached and they showed me their thing. I think Shayad, it's local traditional hai, Shayad, the clothes, and they give me such a cute flower. That's so nice of them. Let's go and see the places. I have reached in the hotel, and after reaching the hotel I'm hungry again because it's time for me to have lunch, and they asked me what you're gonna eat. They were like scared for a while because like they might thought that I'm gonna eat something like burger and all. They were asking me like me, we were scared that what food you gonna eat, because they are Bengali and they eat rice a lot, but they didn't knew that I'm Khasi and I love rice. And morning rice, lunch rice, in the daytime rice, nighttime rice, so it's the same goes with them. And they bought me such a good food, and it's very tasty also. So they bought a lot of I think this is mutton and that is chicken. They gave me mutton, chicken. They bought such a lot of veggies also, and it's very tasty. I don't know I can eat it or not, but I just hope that I'll be able to eat it. And at the same time I'm watching Mr. Bean. I like to watch Mr. Bean. It's my favorite, and Tom and Jerry. So I'm enjoying Mr. Bean, and at the same time I'm enjoying the food. You know what? I thought that today it's 22nd of November 2025. I thought that today I'll be taking the workshop, but you know, my partner didn't even tell me that tomorrow is the workshop. I don't know, he might forget to tell me that tomorrow is the workshop. I thought that today, so I thought that just gonna come, and after reaching the hotel, I thought I'll go directly to the workshop. But you know guys, it's tomorrow. I was like, what will I do? Because like the whole day I'll be sitting like this. I think those guys are telling me that if you're bored, you can call me, we can go outside. So they were saying like that. But yeah, let's see after having food. Now I have, what happened to the TV, man? It's not working. I'm still enjoying watching Mr. Bean. He bought me so much of chicken. I don't know I'll be able to eat it or not. But the food is very tasty, guys. You know, I'm a food lover. And my hi guys. I just woke up, and you know, like I told you that tomorrow is my workshop, and today I just came and I didn't know that it's tomorrow. I thought that it's today. So I'll be heading to the famous temple, and they said that so guys, we will go and see first the students and local students, like because they said like that, so they wanted to see so badly to me. That's what. And I don't know where are they. We will and see. So we'll get inside and see. I don't know how to.
Let's go. সবাই একটু দাঁড়িয়ে যাব আমরা। দাঁড়িয়ে যাও। Make some noise for Imo. Let's go. করে হাততালি হয়ে যাক everyone. Let's go. Make some noise. সবাইকে বলবো একটু welcome to Tripura. Welcome to Tripura. Let's go. और थोड़ा जोर से. Okay. So सबकी तरफ से पूरा त्रिपुरा वासी की तरफ से मैं ऑनर ऑफ फ्रीडम स्टार एकेडमी लेट्स गो
Hi guys, so I've reached here in the temple. There's a sitting area also, as you can see it. And they said to me that a lot of celeb they came here in this temple, because this temple, it's a very famous temple in Tripura. Hey guys, I'm getting ready and I'm going to the workshop. Let's see how crazy they are. I'm getting ready. Guys, I'm done with my workshop. They really like it a lot. So we'll ask them, कैसे है मेरा workshop? Thank you. और कुछ बोलना है क्या? कौन
फिर से आइए यहाँ पे और हम फिर से बुलाएंगे। बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया। थैंक यू सो मच। त्रिपुरा में फिर से आना।
I'm so happy that they like it. So I really enjoyed coming here. So what else to say? And it's such a lovely place also. They did it over here. I don't know what they're talking. I don't understand in Bengali. सब लोग Bengali बात कर रहे हैं.
फोटो एस्थेटिक फोटो कैंडिड फोटो सब चाहिए मैम के साथ।
So guys, I should tell them to teach me in Bengali. एक word सिखा दो हमको Bengali में. আমি
তোমাকে
তোমাকে
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি
मतलब आई लव यू। नहीं तो ये बोलो কেমন আছো
কেমন আছো
त्रिपुरावासी
ত্রিপুরা
बासी
ভাষী
माने
কেমন
कैसे
আছি
हो त्रिपुरा के लोग
ओके इट्स वेरी हार्ड
और
या इट्स वेरी हार्ड
बेंगोली स्वीट लैंग्वेज है
हाँ 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 वो तो है मेरे लैंग्वेज में लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट मतलब खाना खाएगा तो मतलब बोल हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि निन बाम जानो
निम्बाम निम्बाम जानो
निन बाम जानो
निम्बाम जानो और
Yes.
तुम कैसे हो
फिलोंग कुम नो
पिलंकुंगनो अरे बाप रे आप लोग ना दे पिलंकुंगनो पिलंकुंगनो अगर
फिलोंग कुम नो
अगर ये बोले कि फिर से मुलाकात होगी हां फिर से मुलाकात
निन से ये can do biang
आपसे नहीं से यार कोई दो भी सेम टू यू
Bye bye. Where do I have to go? उधर bye bye. चलो.
फिर से मैंने मुलाकात होगा
हाँ. Indian say can do. Guys, I forgot my phone. Also, you know, they bought my phone, this pink one, the old one, because like बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो गया उस time में, and like I'm they were so crazy and I don't know, my mind was like here there, like so much of students, so that's why. But I'm so happy I came here. I really enjoyed, and I'm gonna miss this place, yeah, this Tripura. And now you know what, we're gonna have lunch before heading to the airport. They will give me something to eat, which is like their famous dishes. So yeah. Guys, this is the food they bought to me, but it's like kind of a sticky rice only. It looks decent. This dish, it's called Bengoy. Very tasty. In our thing, we used to call this sticky rice. What we used to call? Even I forgot. Jasolia. You know what? हम लोग का ना ये sticky rice हम लोग जाशौलिया बोलता है. जाशौलिया. Guys, the pork is so tasty.
आप ऐसे मतलब पहले खाए थे पोर्क भरता?
ऐसा फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा. मतलब हम लोग सिर्फ ये ना स्टिकी राइस हम लोग सिर्फ चाय के साथ
अच्छा
स्नैक्स का जैसा.
अच्छा और पोर्क कभी ऐसे खाया था? नहीं खाया, फर्स्ट टाइम. टेस्टी है ना?
हाँ टेस्टी है. ये लोग अलग डिश बना लिया.
उसमें ना ड्राई फिश भी होता है.
वही तो हाँ इसलिए. Dry fish ना? That's what it looks like, smells like tung tap. हम लोग ड्राई फिश ना सिर्फ चटनी बनाता है वो.
हम लोगों के इधर पे तो बहुत कुछ होता है ड्राई फिश. बहुत कुछ होता है. एक होता है पातुरी. ऐसा होता है कि जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एक मतलब लीव होता है उसमें होता है पातुरी. ये वाला भी करते हैं हम लोग. Guys, very tasty. You know, in this pork thing they add with that tungtap. That's what it is. And I like tungtap. I didn't expect that. We have to eat this sticky rice and what pork. Hi guys. So I'm already here
get the flight and I'll be heading back to Shillong and come to Shillong, and it'll just be only 1 hour and a half journey. So yeah, I'm already tired and I want to reach home fast because I want to rest, because after like taking a workshop, and yeah, I'm tired now. I'll be going and reach home soon. So that's all. And guys, please keep on supporting me, and yes, I want to say thank you once again to the Rhythm Star Academy. Thank you so much.